Hello guys, welcome to another trading video. I hope you are learning trading well and moving forward. In this video you will get to understand the psychology very well because we will hold the trade for a long time. Today we are trading US dollar versus Japanese yen, and like every time we will try to generate good profit. I am applying for a trade here. This is the lot size which I have calculated before taking the trade. I apply for all trades and get them after some time. Guys, we have entered at the right place. I have $4,000 in this account. Now we are making some dollars profit. Let's see how market reacts. We have applied trade on proper price action analysis as market has come down for retracement. Let me explain to you the trend which the market is following for a long time. Here a very good buying opportunity has been created. In this video we understand the market pattern from proper technical analysis. First of all, we will create trend channel. The market has been following this trend line for 5 days, where we will see higher low points which are being created on the basis of trend line support. Still the market is preparing to go up by taking support of this trend line. Take another trend line and apply it to the higher high points of the uptrend with the same angle. This trend line will give us an idea of how high the market can go. Right now the market is moving inside our trend channel, where higher high higher low points are being created. It is expected from the market that the market will follow this trend channel of ours, so that we can take the trade to our target point. We cannot do anything here except patience. Now we do further analysis. Till now our analysis is correct. Now we have to draw strong support resistance level, which is very important for our analysis. Multiple support resistance points have been created at this level where the market has reversed perfectly. At these points you can see that the market first took resistance and then broke it and created support. Here a resistance becomes support pattern has been created, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. You will find such patterns behind also inside this trend channel. High probability chance the market will go up from here. Because the market has taken support at strong level as well as trend line, our entire analysis here is complete. All levels are working very well in this analysis. Now we have to set stop loss and target points so that we can follow proper trading process. Here my stop loss will be 25 pips above, which will be outside the trend channel and below the strong level. If market gives trend line breakout, then our stop loss will be easily hit, but we will not close trade before stop loss is hit. And my target point will be 50 pips above where the market has not gone yet. There is full hope of going in the future. Right now, our target level is not visible because the market was in downtrend for a long time. Now the market is in an uptrend. We are making good profits. The market has started moving above our trade. We will increase this profit more strictly by our patience. I apply stop loss and target point. Guys, our work has been completed. Now the next work is for the market. I don't know where the market will be called next. I can only predict what will happen in the future. We cannot know 100% how the market will form a pattern in the future. Now we will stay in the trade because we have to reach the target level, which takes a lot of patience. I am trading here with risk management. You all should know risk management. Better trading can be done through that. Here I have analyzed with only 2 tools, which I believe is enough for trading. With this tool all your work will be done. Always do analysis on price action basis. Guys, you get like the video if you can after stop loss or target is hit.
I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's go!
that you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, it emerges ever so silently. But I got fight in me, so I squash anything that's trying me. I'm like, me versus you, but you know that you got me too. I got nothing to lose, so you better watch out, can't predict my moves.
Guys, market has hit our target brilliantly. The market is rising very fast. Our target has been hit after 28 hours, which is quite a long time. After taking our trade, the market went into consolidation zone, due to which it took us so much time. But the sharp move in the market has come just 4 hours ago. Here the power of the buyers is much more than that of the sellers. Guys, our target was at this level, which has now been hit. The market is going above this level. We may see more moves than this. Now let me explain the next pattern due to which our target has been hit so late. The market has created strong support points at this level due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at this level, but could not break this level. Our stop loss was below this level, which we applied with proper analysis. We will draw one more level at this level. Market has taken multiple times resistance. This is strong resistance level, which the market could not break for a long time, but now the market has broken this level. Right now the market has gone up a lot. When it comes down for retracement, then buying opportunity can be created here again, due to which resistance becomes support pattern will be formed here again. Let us close the trade. Guys, here we are running profit around $5,500, which took a lot of patience to achieve. If you want to become a real trader of the market, then you will have to follow patience and risk management very well. In this video we followed trendline retracement strategy, which later converted into consolidation breakout strategy. See you guys in the next video. If you like the video, please like it. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.